You are an overcomer. You overcome the flesh. You are an overcomer. You overcome the sin. You are an overcomer. You overcome the world. You are an overcomer. You overcome evil attacks. You are an overcomer. You overcome tribulation. You are an overcomer. You overcome evil arrows. Right now, every Jonah in my boat, go see me storm. Whatever you are, Jonah, fire. To afflictions and disease we announce, we will not bow. To whatever that's brought you be repeated tears, we will not bow. To whatever that's brought repeated shame, we will not bow. To whatever that covered your rising, we will not bow. To patterns in your father's house, we will not bow. Anyone the ordinance of your father's house is speaking against you, ancestral pattern, ancestral voices, iron house, let it be broken. Anyone being attacked in their dream, by the power that rises from the devil, let it be broken. Anyone they've exchanged your glory, deliverance power of God, look at where they are, let it be broken. Anyone under any mystery you cannot explain, mystery of negativity, let it be broken. Anybody dancing in the dark so that you will cry in the light, let it be broken. Deliverance power of God, look at where they took your clothes, where they took your body fluid, where they took anything that belongs to you in order to offer witchcraft sacrifices, let it be broken. Deliverance power of God, look at anybody they are mentioning their name for evil, iron house, let fires. Deliverance power of God, look at the source of every negativity, look at the source of marital siege, look at the source of childlessness, look at the source of affliction, look at the source of infirmity, of the sound of your email. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Break, break,